Well, the problem is that if she wants to go shopping, she's going to have to fight him for it.
That's kind of true. Mike the Bee, the music. Hello, Metal Flowers. We're at the Brick Convention in Kissimmee, here to look at all the different Lego designs and see what else is going on. So with all that being said, let's go. Our first stop was at the Big Kid Bricks booth, where Will Dawson, his wife, and his kids have fun designing and printing custom printed Lego minifigures and other Lego elements. We have purchased several pieces from them and their partners, and they are of high quality and they are designer custom inspired artwork. They do want people to understand that they are not authentic Lego pieces. If you'd like to peruse their gallery or contact them about a custom piece, be sure to visit their website at bigkidbricks.com. So there's a couple sections. There's a couple galleries by well-known Lego artists, and then there's also the My Own Creation areas as well. So let's take a look at some of those. Next was the Bricker Builds Gallery, customizing and intuitive building sets to show you how to assemble pop culture characters, fantasy weapons, and more with Lego bricks. This small team of designers and artists' mission is to design awesome, never-before-seen Lego brick sculptures that they would want to build themselves, and make them available to everyone. You can follow them on all social media platforms under Bricker Builds, or you can look them up on their website at brickerbuilds.com. Next, we found ourselves in the Mock Gallery, or the My Own Creation, where we found creators such as Maddie Stack. You can find her on Instagram under For the Love of Legos. Next, we came upon Scott Makes Mocs, who was displaying his Super Mario theme park that he created, starting with the roller coaster based off of the Super Mario Kart video game. His theme park is full of all kinds of little details and Easter eggs. It was super fun just to look at it and just try to find all the little things hidden throughout the entire park. You can find him on YouTube under Scott Makes Mocs. We also came upon Mark Laura, who seemed to specialize in building architecture and modes of transportation. You can find Mark on both Instagram and YouTube. We didn't get a chance to talk to all of the My Own Creation gallery people that were represented, but there were so many just awesome builds to look at and admire. So here are a few of those. We did run into the guys from the Atlanta Brick Company, who we met while we were visiting family in the Atlanta area. They buy, sell, and trade just about everything Lego and a few other items as well. If you happen to be in the Atlanta area, look them up. It's a great place to find hard-to-find Lego pieces. Also, we heard that they're about to open a location here in the Orlando area. Headlining the Master Gallery was A.C. Penn, or Armando Canlas Penlock. He's a builder well known for his Star Wars creations and dioramas. He's been spotlighted in Lego social media, websites, Lego Star Wars, the Visual Dictionary, Steampunk Lego books, and Brick Journal, blocks, Brickit magazines, to name a few. The LEGO hobby has also afforded him worldwide recognition as A.C. Penn, afol Master, or Adult Fond of LEGO, with the highest compliments of having been invited numerous times to the LEGO house in Billund, Denmark, to exhibit his various LEGO botanical creations for several years, starting in 2017 when it opened. The first and still the only Filipino and Copenhagen afforded this honor by the LEGO Corporation. These mocs, or my own creations, have won first prizes in various international competitions, awarded in LEGO conventions, featured on tour in the US, including New York, New Jersey, California, Virginia, Pennsylvania, Maryland, and Massachusetts, worldwide in Denmark and Bahrain and the Philippines, having 5 LEGO certified stores in Metro Manila. Hey guys, I don't know what happened. Apparently my exit didn't film the day I filmed it and went to the convention. But anyway, we had an amazing time. Apparently it was the first time they had this convention in the Orlando area. So it was really cool to be there for the very first one. Hopefully they'll be back because it was a lot of fun. There was a lot of builds to see, a lot of people to meet, and just, kind of things to do. So I guess we'll have to just wait and see till next time. But as always, thank you so much for following along on these little adventures of mine. I am Mike the Bee. You never know where I'm going to be. I'm just going to be. You be too. I'll see you guys later. Bye!